you up. Feel your soul and fill your cup. Let it go, leave it behind. All the weight inside your mind. Feel the groove, feel the vibe. Let your spirit come alive. Island rhythm and skate. Let your worries all fade. Feel the sunshine bright from the day to night. Island rhythm and skate. Every move, every shade. Let the good vibes stay. Never drift away. Steel drums laughing in the air. Feel the freedom everywhere. Guitar skank so crisp and clean. Living out a simple dream. Bassline bouncing nice and round. Heartbeat in the island sound. Nothing else we really need. Just this vibe to set us free. And so along the shoreline breeze. Life is flowing with such ease. In this moment we can see. This is how it's meant to be. Island rhythm and skate. Let your worries all fade. Feel the sunshine bright from the day to night. Island rhythm and skate. Every move, every shake. Let the good vibes stay. Never drift away. Escape. Feel the wave. Hold on, hun. Island rhythm and skate. Let your worries all fade. Feel the sunshine bright from the day to night. Island rhythm and skate. Every move, every shake. Let the good vibes stay. Never drift away. Escape. Feel the wave. Hold on, hand. Sunset low. Feel the groove. Yeah. Golden sky, fading light. Holding you just feels so right. Soft wind blowing through your hair. Island love is everywhere. Colors painting in the sky. Moments we can't let go by. Every second feels so true. All I need is you.
Stay right here, don't let go. Let this feeling slowly grow. In this vibe we can see. This is where we're meant to be.
Sunset lovers groove. Got nothing to prove. Let the music play till it fades away. Sunset lovers groove. Every little move, feel the rhythm tight in the golden light.
Steel drum shining soft and bright. Dancing through the fading light. Heartbeat moving with the bass. Lost inside your warm embrace.
Ocean whisper in the back, keeping every moment tapped. Simple love, pure and free. That's our melody.
When the sun goes down tonight, we still glow in
nothing else but joy right here. Footsteps dancing in the sand, living life just as we planned. Every moment feels so right, bathed in golden island light. Lift it up, feel the glow, let the energy just flow. No more wait, no delay, let it carry you away. Sunlit island energy, flowing wild and free. Let the rhythm play, take your stress away. Sunlit island energy, feel it endlessly. Move your body right from the day to night. Yeah, yeah. Steel drums ringing bright and clear, melodies you wanna hear. Guitar skank so fresh and clean, grooving through the sunny scene. Bassline bouncing through your chest, bringing out your very best. Nothing else you gotta prove, just relax and feel the groove. Every heartbeat feels alive, in this place we truly thrive. Let the music guide your way through another perfect day. Sunlit island energy, flowing wild and free. Let the rhythm play, take your stress away. Sunlit island energy, feel it endlessly. Move your body right from the day to night. Yeah, yeah. Every heartbeat feels alive, in this place we truly thrive. Let the music guide your way through another perfect day. Energy, feel the breeze. Melody, feel the breeze. Sunlit island energy, flowing wild and free. Let the rhythm play, take your stress away. Sunlit island energy, feel it endlessly. Move your body right from the day to night. Yeah, yeah. Feel the sun, feel the sun. Yeah, yeah. Feel the sun, feel the sun. Lazy day, afternoon, sun is high, moving slow, shadows stretching down below. No agenda, nowhere to be, just the shade and the sea. Gentle wave, steady sound, pieces all that's around. Every second drifting by, like a cloud across the sky. Take it easy, take your time. Life is better when it's light. Let it flow. the tide. Lazy island afternoon, soft and easy tune, let the rhythm stay, drifting through the day. Lazy island afternoon, under mellow moon, feel the calm inside, with the turning tide. Guitar playing soft and low, like a story you already know. Bassline barely moving through, still it pulls you nice and true. Nothing loud, nothing fast, just a moment made to last. In this space we understand, life is simple as the sand. Let it fade, let it be, flowing like the open sea. In this calm you will find peace within your mind. Lazy island afternoon, soft and easy tune, let the rhythm stay, drifting through the day. Lazy island afternoon, under mellow moon, feel the calm inside, with the turning tide. Peace is all that's around, every second drifting by, like a cloud across the sky. Take it easy, take your time. Life is better when it's light. Let it flow, let it slide. No more need to rush the tide. Lazy island afternoon, soft and easy tune. Let the rhythm stay, drifting through the day. Lazy island afternoon, under mellow moon. Feel the calm inside with the turning tide. It's our playing soft and low, like a story you already know. Bassline veiling moving through, still it pulls you nice and true. Nothing loud, nothing fast, just a moment made to last. In this space we understand, life is simple as the sand. Let it fade, let it be, flowing like the open sea. In this calm you will find peace within your mind. Lazy island afternoon, soft and easy tune. Let the rhythm stay, drifting through the day. Lazy island afternoon, under mellow moon. Feel the calm inside with the turning tide. Easy, drifting slow. Lazy, drifting slow. Yeah, yeah. Let it breathe. Ocean therapy. Waves rolling, take it slow. Every worry letting go. Salt air drifting through my mind, leaving all the stress behind. Sunlight dancing on the sea, feels like it's healing me. Every step in golden sand, peace is always close at hand. Close your eyes, just feel the flow. Let the rhythm guide your soul. No more rush, no more race, just the calm of this place. Ocean breeze therapy, set your spirit free. Let the rhythm ride like the rising tide. Ocean breeze therapy, where you're meant to be. Let the music heal, feel what you should feel. Palm trees sway in harmony, singing soft in melody. Simple life, no need for more, just the waves along the shore. Deep bass moving nice and low, like the tide it comes to be. Ocean air, take me there. I can come, let the rhythm ride like the rising tide. Ocean breeze, therapy, where you're meant to be. Let the music heal. Feel what you should feel. Feel what you should feel. Feel what you should feel. Let the music heal. Feel what you should feel. Ocean yeah. Gather round. Beachside vibe runs around. The vibe is right. Laughing in the fading light. Ocean breeze and music loud. Good energy inside the crowd. Sun goes down, but we don't stop. Feel the rhythm as it drops. Every smile, every move, locked into that island groove. Hands up high, feel the beat. Sand beneath your dancing feet. Let it go, feel the sound. Good vibes going all around. Beachside groove session. Pure connection. Feel the rhythm tight through the island night. Beachside groove session. No regression. Let the music play till the break of day. Midnight breeze, electric air, music floating everywhere. Slow motion in the sand, reaching out your hand. Feel the vibe, feel the heat, heartbeat syncing with the beat. No control, let it go. Let the night just take you slow. Island neon night, under flashing lights. Let the rhythm flow, nice and soft and low. Island neon nights, everything feels right. Move your body free in this energy. Echo guitar and delay, floating through the night this way. Bassline heavy, smooth and deep, pulling secrets that we keep. Every step just feels alive, leaving all the world behind. In this glow we come alive, feel the midnight vibe. Time dissolves into the sound, no more edges, no more ground. In the space we're drifting free, lost in pure intensity. Island neon nights, under flashing lights. Let the rhythm flow, nice and soft and low. Island neon nights, everything feels right. Move your body free in this energy. Yeah. Golden hour, let it drip. Sun goes down in slow motion, colors dancing on the ocean. Every second feeling right, wrapped in soft and fading light. Gentle breeze across my face, time just slows in this space. No more noise, no more rush, just this calm, just this hush. Let it drip, let it flow. There's no place we gotta go. Feel the rhythm, take it slow. Let the island take control. Golden hour drip, feels like such a gift. Let the reggae play, carry us away. Golden hour drip, every little shift moves the soul so free. Just you and me. Footprints fading in the sand, moments slipping through our hands, but the feeling always stays, like the warmth of island days. Bassline rolling soft and deep, like a promise we can keep. Everything just feels alive, peace within the mind. Hold this vibe, don't let go. This is all we need to know. In this light we finally see, life is how it's meant to be. Golden hour drip, feels like such a gift. Let the reggae play, carry us away. Golden hour drip, every little shift moves the soul so free. Just you and me. Golden hour.
is how it's meant to be. Take it easy, don't rush. Feel the calm, feel the hush. Every moment passing by, like a dream you can't deny. Paradise, slow motion, floating like the ocean. Let the rhythm guide with the rising tide. Paradise, slow motion, feel the pure emotion. Let your worries fade in the light and shade. Steel drum whisper in the breeze, carrying that melody. Bassline deep and rolling low, like a place you always know. Nothing here to complicate. No more pressure, no more weight. Just the rhythm, just the sound. Peace is finally found. Time absorbs into the air. No more burdens left to bear. In this moment we can see life is simple, wild and free. Slow. Slow motion, paradise. Paradise, slow motion, floating like the ocean. Let the rhythm guide with the rising tide. Paradise, slow motion, feel the pure emotion. Let your worries fade in the light and shade. Slow motion, motion, paradise.
Escape. Yeah. Island rhythm. Step away from city noise. Trade it in for simple joys. Island calling, hear the sound. Good vibes always all around. Sun is shining, spirits high. No more stress, just let it fly. Every beat just lifts you up. Feel your soul and feel your cup. Let it go, leave it behind. All the weight inside your mind. Feel the groove, feel the vibe. Let your spirit come alive. Island rhythm escape. Let your worries all fade. Feel the sunshine bright from the day to night. Island rhythm moving through the sunny scene. Bassline bouncing through your chest, bringing out your very best. Nothing else you've gotta prove, just relax and feel the groove. Every heartbeat feels alive, in this place we truly thrive. Let the music guide your way through another perfect day. Sunlit island energy, flowing wild and free. Let the rhythm play, take your stress away. Sunlit island energy, feel it endlessly. Move your body right, from the day to night. Energy, feel the breeze. Energy, feel the breeze.
Far away where sky meets sea, there's a place that sets me free. Silent waves and open air, peace is flowing everywhere. No more noise inside my head, all the heavy thoughts have fled. Just the sound of ocean tide, breathing slow and deep inside. Let it go, let it fade. Every worry slowly break. In the calm you will find peace within your mind. Blue horizon calm, like a healing balm. Let the rhythm flow, nice and soft and low. Blue horizon calm, safe within your palm. Feel the ocean breeze bring you to your ease. Guitar whispers through the air, simple notes without a care. Bassline deep but barely there, still you feel it everywhere. Every moment stretching wide, like the endless open tide. In this stillness you can see what it means to be free. Time dissolves, no control, just the music, just the soul. In this space we understand life is more than we had planned. Calm horizon,
slipping through my hands. Echoes of a distant time still replay inside my mind. Ocean breeze just brings it back, every feeling that I lack. Golden days and endless skies reflected in my eyes. Close your eyes, feel it near. Every moment still is here. In the waves, in the sound, all the love we ever found. Soft sand, memories flowing with the breeze. Let it wash away all the yesterday. Soft sand, memories moving through the seas. Feel it deep inside, like a rising tide. Guitar whispers soft and low, like a story you once know. Baseline steady, calm and true, pulling every thought to you. Nothing really disappears, just transforms across the years. In this rhythm we can see what will always be. Time may fade, but love remains, flowing through like summer rain. In the tide we understand, nothing's ever out of hand. Memories drift away. Walk. Soft sand, memories flowing with the breeze. Let it wash away all the yesterday. Soft sand, memories moving through the seas. Feel it deep inside, like a rising tide. Memory, soft sand. Footprints fading in the sand, moments slipping through my hands. Echoes of a distant time still replay inside my mind. Ocean breeze just brings it back, every feeling that I lack. Golden days and endless skies reflected in my eyes. Close your eyes, feel it near. Every moment nothing really disappears, just transforms across the years. In this rhythm we can see what will always be. Time may fade, but love remains, flowing through like summer rain. In the time we understand, nothing's ever out of hand. Memory drift away. Oh. Yeah, let it be. Ocean therapy. Yeah. Oh yeah. Waves rolling, take it slow. Every worry letting go. Salt